In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change DPI settings in Redmi 13c. First, we need to unlock the setting that lets us change it. Open the Settings app on your Redmi 13c, scroll to and tap About Phone. Here, locate the MIUI version or OS version line. Tap that exact line 7 times in a row. You will be asked to enter your lock screen password to confirm. After you do, you should see a message that says, "You are now a developer." That's your confirmation that developer options are now available. Now, go back to the main settings screen, scroll down and tap Additional Settings. Inside, select Developer Options. This menu contains advanced controls that aren't visible by default, so take your time and scroll carefully. Keep scrolling until you reach the section labeled Drawing. In that section, look for Smallest Width. This is the DPI setting we're after. Tap it to open the value editor. You will see a number representing your current layout density. Remember, increasing this number makes on-screen items smaller, which can help you see more content at once and can be great for certain games or multitasking. Decreasing the number makes items larger, which can improve readability and touch targets. Subtle changes usually work best. Large jumps can make text too tiny or buttons hard to tap. If your screen looks uncomfortable after a change, you can always come back here and adjust again. Enter the new number you want to try, and then tap OK to apply it. Your interface will update immediately using the new density. Take a moment to navigate around your phone and check how apps, icons, and text look. If you like the balance between size and space, you are all set. If not, return to Developer Options, open Smallest Width again, and fine-tune the value until it feels right for you. That's it. Thanks for watching.